Alright, I'm back. Today I'm going to replace the light switch. Why? Because when I put the LED bulbs on the last video, I'll show you here. You probably see I'm gonna go ahead and wiggle this like this. And as you can see how the lights, they change. See? And supposedly that's because of the switch. So I'm gonna go and show you a short video on this. Let me shut this thing off. How to go ahead and fix this. Let me grab the tools. I need a star screwdriver. Oh, and I went ahead and bought the part. It's the standard brand. The DS357 switch communicator interrupter. And it's supposed to fix the issue. Alright, first thing we got to do here is take out these screws here. There's just two of them. Where'd it go? It's attached to the thing. Alright, then just need to pull up, pull down, and pull up. Because it has little like hooks on here. And it comes right off. Put it over here. Alright. The switch here might be able to mess with it, but might just get, let's see here. Just get 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably gonna take this out because this point right here kind of cuts within your hand, and you have to get back here on a switch and to pull this out. It'll be just easier. So here we go. Put this separate from the other one. Alright, it's out. And as you can see here, I don't know what the hell that is, but got all the wires that I've run for other things. It's pretty cool. I can actually see different things. Now that I have this here, you see this blinker here? If you put LED lights, whether it be in the front or the back, highly recommend it. The blinker lights. That way you don't have to put the what do you call the little flicker adapters on the bulbs. Just change this out and you don't have to worry about that anymore. The original's still in here. You can see it's right here. Maybe I'll go ahead and change that out today because I did it through the bottom. I didn't take out the panel. That's what happens when you try to be lazy sometimes. But back to what we came here today for. Let me see if I can get a little comfy here. So I gotta pull this out. But in order for me to pull it out, there's a button in the back here. You push that in. Oh, I'm not gonna hold the phone and do this. Let me see. Let's see if I can set the phone somewhere where you can see. This thing's gonna keep beeping, 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 beeping. Okay. I have to show you. Alright. What I'm trying to do is, and I can't do it. Shut up. Is, I'll show you on the new one. Then I'll go ahead and do it. What it is this is this right here. Alright. You can see it's kind of silver, but this is the thing here. And what I'm trying to do is, if you reach in behind, there's a button here. See it? Push this down. When you push this down, what it does is it releases the inside in here. What that does is as you push down, all you gotta do is this, and it comes right out, because you're gonna use this on the new one. And then once you do that, you're gonna, this piece here screws off. I'll show you that. This just screws right off. Once you screw that off, you'll go ahead and pull this down. When you pull it down, you have a plug right here, I think. I'll show you in the other one once I pull it off. This will be one big piece. Disconnect it, connect it on here, and just mount it right back. So if you give me a second, let me go ahead and pull this off, but like I said, I can't do it with one hand. Alright, I went ahead and pulled it out. Easy, like I said, push the button in, pull the little lever out, and then this is just a screw. I gotta loosen it. There we go. It's loose. Just go in here. Of course, always give you a hard time when you're trying to hold the camera. Always. I do have a stand, but it's not going to work in the angle that I'm in. Need 2 hands, man. Come on. It's raining. Just unscrew this, and you're going to use this in the new one. See, it's a screw. Right here. Okay, now this piece here just comes out. Boop. There we go. See, it's just like the old one. Oops, sorry about that. See, it just comes right out. It's just like the. Here's the new one. It's all shiny. See, the cable goes here. That cable. And the underneath part. It's just a plug, and that's it. So let me try to do this while I have you here. In. Oh man, this is, you know what? Alright, got that off. In the bottom here, according to another video that I saw, you see this here, and there's one here. You have to try to, you gotta push it out. And down. Same thing with this one. Oops, we're back in. Problem is trying to do it with a hand. I'm gonna have to find me something where I can tie the phone on my chest or something. So you keep clicking back in every time I take it out. I'll be back. Alright, I was able to get it off. It's a little pain in the butt to get off, but in all honesty, it's not too bad. Let me compare, make sure they're right. The two look the same. This doesn't look too bad. This one's a little bit more newer. Other connectors on this. It's not bad. I don't know why it wasn't really working. I don't know if this is a replaced unit or if it's original from factory. I don't really know, but I know I'm going to install this one and hopefully take care of the problem. There we go again with the one-handed issues. I don't know how these people do these videos, man, to be honest with you. Hold on again. Sorry about the beeping, but this is a pain in the ass. I went ahead and put it in. It goes, you try to push it in as far as it'll go. Like I said, the clips have to clip back on. But I think I have it and all the way. It doesn't look like it is, but it is. Put the other cable back on, and let me go ahead and put this back in here with the screw, and I'll come back to you. Alright, I got it all together. Just took the pliers and went ahead and tightened this up again a little bit, not too much. This was a little finicky. I stuck it in, I was pulling it out, putting it in, wasn't going in. Remember, you have to push this button here. I pushed it in, and I kind of had to force it just a little bit, and you heard it click. And it works fine now. So don't be afraid to force that when you put it in. See? Now it works. And as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and wiggle it. And you see the lights are working perfectly. No more wiggle. And you can pick this up anywhere. I saw it on Rock Auto for... Let me shut this off. Saw it on Rock Auto for 14 bucks. I just didn't want to wait the 4 days. I went ahead and bought it in O'Reilly's. It was $29.99. I had a $5 coupon, so I want to say I paid like $23, $24 or something, which is not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this all back up and try it again. Yep, no problems. It's working like a charm. Working great. No problems at all. Just when you pull it out and then wiggle it, nothing. All the way out, wiggle it, break. So, just learned something new. I had that issue for a while, and I thought it was wiring. I thought it was going to be a bunch of other headache things, but it wasn't. It was something simple. And thank God, looking at the reviews, another YouTuber actually helps me out. So that's why I like doing these videos. Same way people help me out. I want to help people out. Plus, I want to show people the build of my Jeep. I said I bought this Jeep probably two and a half, maybe almost going on 3 years, I think. Not 100% sure, I can't remember, but I think it is. And little by little, I should have changed the flasher thingamajig up here. Maybe I'll do that. But got the screws in. Put them back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Trying my best to make you some videos, some content that can help you out. Did you see that down there? Okay, maybe not. That'll help you out. As I'm learning, you're learning. Oh, there's something in right here. Pull this out. Is that way to go through? Oh, I'm starting not to like this. Hold on. Try this again. 3 little hoops down there, 3 little hooks here. It should go right there. Then it goes up. Why is this thing? Try something. I think that might work. I gotta pull this out though. So this can go through. I don't believe this. I don't believe this. Hold on again. Alright. Alright, so I finished. Like I said, it's working. Wiggle it, no issues. I'm going to put the rock sliders on probably tomorrow. I got to drill holes. I don't like drilling holes in my car, but in order to put rock sliders on, I'm going to have to. Here's a quick look at the rock sliders that I purchased. You'll see more of them tomorrow with the installation. Let's see if I get up early so I can get this done. I'm going to get some help so they can hold them up. Share, like, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel so you can stay tuned, see the other stuff I got to do. Maybe I'll make the other video today of the tough hood lock. If I have enough time. It's hot out here. It's raining outside. I'm sweating even though I'm in the garage. So stay tuned. Like I said, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.